We're told that transformation is a beautiful, seamless ascent. But that's a lie. Real transformation doesn't feel good. It feels like breaking, a fundamental dismantling of everything you thought you knew about yourself before any rebuilding can even begin. It's the terrifying silence after the structure has collapsed, when you're just sitting in the rubble, wondering if you've made a catastrophic mistake. And right when you commit to this change, life will test your resolve. It's as if the universe needs to know if you're serious. Your old habits will pull with a familiar gravitational force, promising the instant comfort you're trying to leave behind. The old environments you once called home will whisper, reminding you of the person you used to be, tempting you to slip back into that easier, smaller version of yourself. And your old thoughts, those well-worn neural pathways of doubt and fear, will linger like ghosts, questioning if you're strong enough for this journey. In this space, you feel stretched thin, caught in the agonizing tension between who you were and who you are desperately trying to become. And that tension, that discomfort, that is the unmistakable feeling of growth happening in real time. A butterfly isn't graceful inside the cocoon. It's a messy, painful, and profoundly dark process, a complete dissolution of its former self. But it is in that darkness, in that surrender, that the wings grow. Becoming someone new requires the courage to release the old version of you, not to kill them, but to thank them for getting you this far and lovingly let them go. So be patient with yourself. Offer yourself the compassion you would give to a friend walking through fire. You are in your cocoon, and your wings are forming. Soon it will be time to test them, to take that first uncertain flight into a new dawn. Trust the process. Keep going.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.